In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate English to French with DeepL. If you're looking for a fast, reliable way to turn English text into natural-sounding French, this walkthrough will guide you from the very first click to getting a clean copy you can use anywhere. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the DeepL translator website. The page is simple and user-friendly. You'll see two large text areas side by side. The box on the left is where you provide your original text, and the box on the right is where DeepL shows the translation. Think of it as a live window into your translated version. Now in the left box, type or paste your English text. If you already have it copied, use your usual paste shortcut to drop it in. You can paste full paragraphs, lists, or even multiple sentences at once. Try to keep sentences complete and clear. That helps DeepL capture the right meaning. Avoid including any confidential or sensitive information, since this is an online tool. If your text is long, don't worry. DeepL handles multi-paragraph content well, and you'll often see it respond as you go. Next, look to the right box and choose French as the target language. There's a language selector above the translation area. Open it and pick French from the list. If French is already selected, you're ready to go. DeepL often detects your source language automatically, but choosing French on the output side ensures you get exactly what you want. As soon as your English text is in the left box and French is selected on the right, the translation appears instantly. You'll notice the text update in real time, which is helpful if you're tweaking wording for clarity. Read through the French output to make sure it reflects your intent. Proper nouns and acronyms usually carry over correctly, and punctuation matters. Accurate commas and periods can slightly influence the flow of the translation. If something looks off, refine the English sentence on the left. Small adjustments can yield a more precise result. When you're happy with the translation, click the copy button in the translation area to put the French text on your clipboard. From there, paste it into your document, email, message, or anywhere else you need it. If formatting matters, paste into your editor of choice and review line breaks and spacing to keep everything neat. And that's it. Open DeepL, add your English text, set French as the target, review the instant translation, and click copy to use it wherever you need.